You know, one of the big advantages of prefabrication is we have a controlled environment in here. We have the equipment to handle this big heavy pipe, to roll it, turn it. And if you imagine having to make all those welds in the field, there's just a huge labor savings.
So how are the welders taught to use a piece of equipment like this?
At the local 400 training center, we actually have one of these submerged arc welding machines. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can take a class. Matt's there full-time teaching. He'll teach you how to do it. You'll be able to get the certification from the hall, and now you can go to the job site and do this.